as AI is advancing, a lot of new companies are coming up daily and daily and daily. The feedback, as I said, it's up and down, honestly. Some people, they really like what we're doing. Some people, actually, they don't. But for us, we're focusing on humanity to make it accessible for everyone. The feedback has been amazing for most of the people, actually, especially the people who started using our products. As an enterprise level, we started now actually infusing our products to companies, and they started using them. Feedback is amazing so far. For AI and data usage, ethics in general has been a hot topic of debates. At ONPASIVE, we firmly believe in a straightforward mantra. Technology should be accessible to all, and innovation should drive us towards a brighter future. We don't consider it as a challenge, to be honest. We're all in the same basket, and we're all driving the same boat, let's say, towards making humanity a better place and making Earth as a better place, especially using AI features, not to use them against humans. It's the other way around, to use them to enhance our daily life and our daily use and grow our businesses and stuff. We don't consider anything as a challenge, actually. Like I said, we're all a group that's working towards the same standards, but at ONPASIVE, we're surely working towards exceeding those standards. Well, GITEX is the beating heart of the tech world, and we're very excited to be part of this great event. We're looking forward to showcase people what we have. Even our stand itself, it has a lot of tech features in it. Our excitement level is very high, and we cannot wait.